In today's video, we are going to review the US style torch from Fronius. This torch comes in 320, 400, and 500 amp air-cooled on our Transsteel packages. As a side note, you can also use this torch on Miller and Lincoln machines with a simple adapter for customers that want to standardize consumables. In the box, you will receive a US style torch, clamping pieces and contact tips for 035, 045, an 045 liner, operating instructions, and a safety rules book. We now offer our aluminum consumables in a one-part bundle. In bundle 49,0400,0040 is the aluminum consumable bundle for the Transsteel 2200. In that, you will get a 10-pack of tips, 2 045 drive wheels, 1 black inlet guide, and the sealing foam. In aluminum bundle 49,0400,0041 for the Transsteel 2700 TPSI and Iwave multi-process, you will get a 10-pack of tips, 4 drive wheels, a black inlet guide, and the sealing foam. When you get your aluminum consumable bundle, you will have to remove your back cap from the torch, take off your inlet guide. Once that happens, it will look like this. So you will take your sealing foam, press it in sideways, and insert your new inlet guide. Once pressed in, you can twist it back on your torch and you're ready to weld. So now I will show you how to remove and install a liner in the US style torch. Twisting off your back cap, remove your liner. Take your brand new liner out of the package. With the contact tip in, torch laying on the ground, I will feed this into the back side of the torch. On a new liner, you will have a section that sticks out of the back side of the torch. You will then cut that flush, take your clamping piece and thread it on. If it threads on hard, take a file and file the rough edge around the liner so it can thread on smoothly. Once you thread it on and you have filled the 2 holes that are in this piece, you know the liner is as close to the back of this as it can be. Then just insert, quarter turn, and you are done.